Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. This is Grampzquad, and we are doing a whole bunch of mods to my new F-150 Tremor. New to me, it's a 2024, and if you've seen the previous some of the previous videos, I was in a bad accident with my 2018 Lariat, and I got totaled off. So lucky to be around, and lucky to have this awesome Tremor. My buddies over at F150LEDs sent me a little package that I'm really excited to put on, and I'll show you here a little quickly. Yeah, so we got headlight accessory connector. This is our headlight harness. That's going to connect the headlights and give us an output so we can feed off to our LED side vent kit. Also got a pack of some tools, some handy little pry tools and stuff that we're going to use. I got some alcohol wipes, a couple of little air fresheners, so you gotta smell good if you're driving a nice truck, and sweet hat here. So we're going to show you this little vent kit here really quick. And they're not just some cheap little LED strip. These things are made for the car, made for the truck, shaped perfectly for the inside of the vent. I opted for the little amber ones here. So these little guys wire in there, and then they've got some wires here. Yeah, fairly simple. So we're going to pop right into this and show you how to install these guys. Now if you care about your truck, and I know you do, you're going to want to put a little tape around the vent here, just to prevent any scratches, because I know you want to keep it nice. And so we're going to use a pry bar here to get this out, but then if you come around inside here, I don't know if we can see this, zoom down in here a bit. Whoop. Okay, there's these little clips right there. So you're going to want to focus on that. If you can push those little guys out while you're prying, it'll come off easy. Now, the inside edge here is going to have a two-sided tape along here holding it on, so it's going to have to pry off a little bit. But these clips along here should come out fairly easy. Okay, so luckily this came off nice. Still nice and tacky. So pull that off, and there it is. Okay, so now we're going to take this back and to the bench, and we're going to put the stick the LED on there. Super high quality job on the wiring here. It's nice and shielded. Really good. Okay, so this wire is going to be fitting inside underneath right there. Okay, so now I need to feed the wire through first, get this through. I want to put it probably through the top one right here. And feed that whole string of wire through. When you're messing with this, be careful not to get this strip here. Try not to touch that very much because it'll lose its stickiness, and you want to have that be able to stick back on the truck nicely. Did it through the wrong slot. This is why I can make mistakes, so you don't have to. So I stuck it through the top one here. You're gonna want to put it through the one at the very back, right here, closest to the body. Getting them both together at the same time is another story. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Pull them right through that one, closest to the truck. I'll give that lots of room in there. So the truck's fairly clean. I'm going to clean this with a bit of alcohol wipe first, and then we'll stick it on there. Test fit this first. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Just kind of tucked it in there. The wire's coming out right here, and it's just sitting inside nicely so you can't see it. Fits in there really snug. Very nice. Alcohol. So I've wiped it down with alcohol, then just want to leave that for a little bit, let it dry. As you can see right here, give you a little better idea. You can see the orange strip in there. It's all tucked in along the inside. And it's just kind of hanging down loose there. I got to pull the little red 3M tape off there, and then we can just squeeze it up and attach it. There we go, easy as that. I'll show you here. Okay, it's all stuck with the two-sided tape on the inside, so you won't see that at all. And the wires coming out the side here, we'll feed that up into the truck, and then we'll show you the wiring. So do this to the other side, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, it can't get any easier than this, guys. Plug this into the, unplug the headlight, plug your adapter in there, and then this goes back into the headlight. Now you got the two here, you got a positive with 2 connections, and then the negative with 2 connections. All you're going to do is lift this guy up, pull it way back. Can't really see there, just a sec. Do it 2 hands. So you pull it way back, and it opens that up in there, and then it's going to crimp down on your wire. So strip the wire back enough to go in there, clip it down, press it down. So you're going to feed your wires from the vent up and around down to the headlight over here. Suppose you could pick either side and plug that back in the headlight, and you got power to your LEDs. All right, what's up? Quite an amazing, simple, easy install, and it looks amazing. I'll show you here in the daylight, but we'll get some shots here shortly here. Well, you'll see it right away when it's dark, how cool these things look. Check it out. Now, if you can tell in the sunlight, but those things are awesome. All right, we'll be right back with some